Hello everyone, let's begin with our book, that is Knowledge World, a course book of general knowledge of class 4 by Seraphic Era Publications. Hello everyone, let's begin today with our new chapter, that is chapter number 18, Absolutely Right. Now in this chapter we are going to learn about the pronunciation of various words. This chapter is more sort of an English chapter rather than an general knowledge chapter. So let's begin with it. It says that pronunciation is the way in which a language or a particular word or a sound is spoken. Pronunciation क्या है? ये एक ऐसा तरीका है जिसमें एक भाषा या किसी वर्ड को सुनने के जो प्रक्रिया है या उसको किस तरह से बोला जाता है, that is called as a pronunciation. It helps us to speak better and boosts our confidence. इससे क्या होता है? इससे हमें बोलने में हेल्प मिलती है. It helps us to speak the word correctly and it also boosts your confidence. Let's now practice to pronounce them correctly. So the first word given over here is the use of silent H. There are certain words जिनके आगे यानी कि वो begin तो होते हैं H से, लेकिन उस H की sound नहीं होती है. That means the sound of H is silent. For example, honesty, honorary, ire. Now in these words we have H, मगर हम कभी इस word को honesty नहीं बोलते हैं because the H is silent over here. Similarly, this is honorary. Next, ire. Then we have the second one. It says the use of silent letters in some words. We are talking about some words which have silent letters in between. For example, the first word is not handsome. The first word is handsome. Next word is comb. Comb, not comb. It is comb. Then we have this is not Iceland, this is island. Then we have PSALM. Now this is what? This is sound. Then we come to the third one, the different sounds of S. S has different sounds. In the first word, we will call it as or pronounce it as super. Here we will call it as sheep. Here, surmise or jersey. Okay? Then we have the different sounds of C and CH. Now in this word we will pronounce it as church. Here we will call it as circus. This is cat and this is chick. Then we have the fifth one which says the 5 sounds of A, and here we will call it as trance. This is fall, ant, age, adept. So these are all the sixth statement says the different sounds of I and EE and EA words. So the first word is SIT sit, SEED seed, BIT bit, BEET beat, HIT hit, HEAT heat, DIP dip and DEEP deep. Then the seventh one, it says these words are always stressed on the right syllable. So we are talking about the first word and it is fatigue. This is dilemma. This is inhale and this word is locate. So this was all about the first part. Let's now read your answer please. It says, can you identify the silent letter in the word night? So what is the silent letter in the word night? And I hope you have understood as I am pronouncing it night. So what is the silent letter? The silent letter is K. Then we have the next portion. It says pronounce the following words to practice more. So there are certain more words, we have to pronounce them. So the A word is tsunami, B is view, C is cine, D is gnat, E is isle, F is iron, G is Q, H is kernel, I is asthma, and J is nuptial. So this is all about the pronunciation of all these words. Let's now read the quick fact. It says that Q is the only word with 5 letters from which even if the last 4 letters are removed, its pronunciation remains the same. तो Q एक ऐसा word है जिसमें अगर हम उसके last के 4 letters को अगर remove कर देते हैं तो भी इस word के pronunciation में कोई change नहीं आएगा. This will remain the same word, that is Q. So this was all about the 18th chapter. I hope you have understood the various pronunciation of the words. Thanks for watching the video. Stay tuned till the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.